Hello everybody, Miss Jackie Russell here. Today I have some friend mail and EarFleek. This is the November EarFleek. They always send it a little bit late, but we're going to find out what we got. If you are not familiar with EarFleek, it is a subscription that comes once a month and it's $3.94. You can get it for around $2 and something if you subscribe longer. I do a 6-month subscription and I get a pair of earrings every month for around $20. So I think it's excellent. It's a nice little pick me up. And if you have a special friend or a daughter or a granddaughter that you think that would like earrings every month, you could get this for them for a gift, and they would get a gift every month. And they have different styles. They have classic, they have boho, they have millennial, they have cutesy. And I always kind of go for the classic. And it always comes in this little pink bag after it's gotten out of this bright pink bag. And inside here we have some earrings. And let's see what they've sent. It looks like we have some holiday looking earrings. Would you say that those have holiday on there? Let's see. We usually get some kind of information card. Let me find out if we have something. Ah, there it is. This month we have Pretty in Province. So this is Pretty in Province, and it says inspired by springtime, which I'm not sure why they're sending us springtime earrings in November. That's kind of weird to be sending them for springtime in November, don't you think? Anyway, it says the Pretty in Province earrings features a pressed flower in a hexagonal shaped resin. Pair these botanical beauties with a gauzy blouse and high-waisted jeans for a French Riviera vibes. All right. So they even give us a few tips on that. What do you think? Do y'all like those? They're quite interesting. And they have a little bit of a gold tone with it, so you could wear it with gold or silver because your earring parts are silver. So it's a versatile pair of earrings, and I think they're very nice. And I guess we could try them on and see how they look. Let me take off these. These cross earrings came from my Believers box. And let's see what these look like. Oh, very nice. Y'all like it? It hangs real pretty. Oh, yeah, those are very pretty. I like that. Very nice. Very nice. So, yeah. So, that is my EarFleek for this month. And I think it's very nice. That's the information. And it talks about if you wear a gauze top with a high-waisted jeans with these earrings, you would have a French Riviera look. So I like that they give you a little bit of tips. And like I said, you can get cutesy style, classic style, boho style. You can just let them pick whatever style that they want to send you. I think I mostly get boho and classic. I'm not much of a cutesy style. I would rather have more classic or boho, something that'll last all the time and be good. And I did forget to mention that these are $15.99, so they also include the price tag. You're getting a really good deal, and I'll have a link and you might be able to save like $1.94 on your first order. Check that out. It'll be in the description. Now let's get to some friend mail that I got. I received some mail from Brandy, and I believe this is Unboxing with Brandy, and she sent me a Christmas card with a little teddy bear. Isn't that so cute? Oh, and she's got, with God all things are possible, and that is today's prayer. Thank you. Such a nice touch. I love that. That's a great idea. Oh my goodness, Brandy, that is so sweet. She says, Vicky, which Vicky's my name. I go by Miss Jackie. I wanted to wish you Merry Christmas and Happy Holidays. May your holidays be full of love and laughter. Merry Christmas. XOXO. P.S. God bless. And it is Brandy's Unboxings and More. And it says joy and peace. Thank you, Brandy. That is so sweet. And I love your little added touch of today's prayer. And again, today's prayer, with God, all things are possible. Matthew 19:26. And that's so true. Yes, indeed. Then I have a couple more cards. I got this from one of our subscribers. I'm covering up the from Dee Dee. And she's Wilma261 on our site. So whenever you see her commenting, her name is Dee Dee, in case you didn't know. And she has sent me a lovely card. Looks like we got some little gnomes. And inside here, let's find out what she sent. There's no place like gnome for the holidays. That is so cute, Dee Dee. I love that. Oh my goodness, it's kind of like a 3D effect. And it's got some little glitter on there. That's a cute card. Very, very cute. It says 2022, may the holidays bring happiness to you and your family. And then she's got Wilma2U1. And then love Bill and Dee Dee. Thank you, Dee Dee. That is lovely. And on the inside, you've got the gnome house with the gnomes out there. Isn't that just so adorable? Oh my goodness. Thank you, thank you. And then I have one more, and this is from Janet on our subscribers. So this is from another subscriber, and she says, make a wish on the back, and then she's got a sticker on the front, be the rainbow after every storm. And I don't mind y'all seeing my address. It's public on my site. So very nice. Let's see what she has sent. Oh, she sent me a thank you. And she's got a pair of... She knows I like the beach. Look at that. She's got a pair of flip-flops on there. Thank you. That is so cute. She said, hi, Miss Jackie. Thank you so much for the winnings. I am so excited to try the face mask out. You're just wonderful. Aw, love, Janet. Isn't that so sweet? And yeah, she recently won off of one of my I Won, So Can You. And she's got some new masks to try out. And I really appreciate you too, Janet. And I thank you very much. And again, another thank you to you for my globe. For my beautiful rose globe that you sent. And guys, it lights up in case you didn't see the video. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? She sent me this in celebration of the 2022 unboxing award that I got from the Gratitude Awards. And this is beautiful. So another thank you to you, Janet, for this. I love it. It is gorgeous. Everyone that sees it in my home just goes, wow, that is beautiful. And it is exquisite. So guys, that's about everything that I have today for the EarFleek. And I like my little EarFleek earrings. What do you think? Do you like them too? I think they're pretty nice. Let's see, what do I have coming up? Well, you know, I had one advent calendar that didn't show up in time, so I will be having a short series. It is going to be a 5-day series, so be on the lookout for that. I haven't decided quite sure when I'm going to start it, but you'll know. But that's something that's coming up. Other than Christmas and things coming out because of Christmas, that's about all I'm going to have right now. My regular boxes, I may have some more collaborations and our gifted items sent out to me. Oh, speaking of gifted items, I have a Space Tech LED light eye mask that has been sent to me for product review. Yes, indeed. And I'm going to do an opening video. And after I do that opening video and show you the product, of course, I will be trying it out. It goes on your eyes. So like, you know how we put our little eye mask on? This is going to be like a Space Tech, that's the brand, eye LED light of some sort on my eyes. So I can't wait to try that out. That is something else that's going to be coming up real soon, so be on the lookout for that. And I just can't think of anything else right now. I have collaborations that are out, and be sure and check my descriptions for those. And again, I would like to say a special thank you to Brandy's Unboxing and More. Thank you, Brandy, for sending me the Christmas card. It is so lovely. I love the little teddy bear on there and the presents. And this was just an extraordinary touch. I really like that. That was very sweet. And I would like to thank Dee Dee for this beautiful card that she had sent. This is just so cute. I love gnomes, and I know many of you do too. I've got a couple back behind me there. There, now you can see them. They're back there. I do have some gnomes. I'm just covering them up. And then Janet, I want to thank you for your thank you card. And of course, for your beautiful rose again. Just absolutely gorgeous. And I appreciate your thank you. You did not have to send me a thank you, but I do appreciate it. So guys, that is all I have today. Again, like I said, check my descriptions for anything that's going on. I'm excited for December and going into 2023. We have announced all 14 winners of the Advent calendar. So be sure and get in touch with me and check that video. As for today, that's all I have. And as usual, I wish you all a blessed and happy day. Bye-bye.